everyone, Ash here from Talius, and welcome to our new office in Eagle Farm. This is now designed to be a working space where we can bring you all in and actually show you what a live environment would look like for an at-home solution that showcases all the Talius products, including our home care products and our facilities products, all in one clean and usable space. This gives you a real-world feel and playback of what the capability sets are of the Talius solutions. So starting over here, we've got our personal emergency products, our Essence panels, and the pendants that go along with it. We've also got the bed attachments that show off the way we capture bed data, sleep data, in and out of bed and falls, along with our life pod that we can take outside of the building for tracking and on personal emergency response in that mobile capability. Over to our dresser that has a reed switch to show when drawers are being opened, and of course our amazing care window for that quick emergency call or quick care call that's nice and easy to use. So please come have a look and get a tour and a demonstration of the full solution of Talius in our living laboratory. So we hope to see you here soon.